Coming live from Merida, Mexico, this is Amputee Adventures.
See, I'm sitting here at T'Ho Aperitivo. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's T'Ho House. Yeah, it's nice out here. You got Paseo de Monteo right outside, and this little Casa T'Ho. That's what it is. But yeah, it goes inside into the building, but we're sitting out here on the terrace, and I'm having yeah, nice place. They had the new manager came out and talked about it, about the place, and introduced himself. I'm gonna get the pancakes with berries and I think honey drizzle over it. We'll see. There's a couple other ones I might want to get, but Casa T'Ho, T''Ho, right on the corner of 45th and Paseo de Monteo. So we'll check it out. I already had the first Americano, and it's a real one with espresso with hot water, but I already finished it. Time for another one. So yeah, just here's the patio. It's just a gorgeous patio area. You have the entrance right there with our hostess Natalie out there, and having a couple of more coffees brought over. Yeah, it's a great little place so far. Yeah, and very comfortable lounge chairs. So, and nice plants up here. Great place so far. Here's breakfast. Almost look like waffles instead of pancakes, with berries and chocolate all drizzled over it, and cacao, because that's the chocolate underneath and then cacao on top, with miel, honey. I hope you can see that. I can't see what I'm filming, so I'm going to dig in. Yum.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.